Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the Dexter 12,000-pound electric brake trailer axle. Let's dive into it. Alright, so this is the Dexter 12,000-pound electric brake axle. So it comes with these new style aluminum oil caps. They call them the Fortress caps. You can use oil or grease. It comes standard with oil in it. And you just pop off this little center rubber piece right here to oil it up. Or there's also a quick fill on here, right here, that you can also use to fill up. It has 5/8 studs on it, and it has an 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. So it's 8 lug, and it's 6.5 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across. It comes with the tension ring and the standard cone nuts. So you can run 16-inch dual wheels on here, or 17.5-inch dual wheels, as well as 17.5-inch single wheels with this axle. It has a 4.75 hub pilot, and it's a 2-piece hub and drum. It uses the 3984 inner bearing and the 28682 outer bearing. It has a 10-56 oil seal, and you can get them with the springs attached or without the springs attached. It has the 12 1/4 by 5-inch self-adjusting electric brakes on it with the 7-hole backing plate, standard for the Lippert and Cartered axles as well. As you can see, this is not pre-wired, so you will have to wire this in, on the connect the brakes. It uses the 3-inch wide springs that are 30.5-inch long, part number 72-44, with a 1-inch bolt for the springs to go into. And it has a 5-inch round tube. It's just painted black, so you will see some rust on it whenever you receive it, because this is actually how we receive it from Dexter, just like this. We actually just got these axles in, and this is how they look. So do expect to see some rust, blemishes. Unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about that because that's how they send them to us. But it does come fully assembled, ready to install. It has the standard spring pads that are welded on. You can also get them not welded if you prefer. We usually keep the Dexter ones in stock with a 46-inch spring center or a 47-inch spring center, and I'll explain what that means. So when going to buy an axle, you want to measure your axle. The most important measurement being from center of one spring to center of the other spring. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. The easiest way is just to hook your tape measure on the outside of one spring and pull down to the inside of the other spring, and you'll see you get 46. Or you can go center to center, like so, and you'll still get 46. So there's two different ways to do it right there. And then your next one is your hub face, which is going to be where the studs protrude out from the drum to the other side where the studs protrude out the drum. So that one you might want a friend to get to help you with. If you don't have a friend, then just get it to your best of ability. And you can see this one's going to be 74 when I'm measuring that. There's also different ways, like you can put a little flat plate on here to make it poke up. Okay, so another way you can get the hub face measurement, if you're by yourself, you could get like a little flat bar like this, and we would just stick it on the axle. That way you'd have something to butt up against to get your hub face measurement. So then you could get your hub face a lot easier. See, so we're just butting up or hooking onto that, and then coming down to here, and it's 74 inches. So that's another little trick you can use if you're by yourself. Another way to do it is if you have dual wheels on there, you can measure from where the two wheels butt up together, and that'll get you pretty close to the hub face as well. But this axle comes fully assembled, ready to go, and we also sell them with the Hutch suspension, so the heavy-duty HDSS springs if you need those as well. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.